Welcome once again to the day 6 of our guitar tutorial. This is one of my videos for guitar lessons for beginners. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to play key A major. We have already learned key C, key F, key G, key E. And if you're interested in learning all those, see the link to the playlist that will help you to learn this. In the description of this video, we also have a chart diagram that helps you to learn all these chords. Today, let's get right into the business of learning this. If you are new to this channel, welcome to this channel, and then click on the bell icon, subscribe to this channel so that you'll be able to get our video whenever they drop. Okay? With our first finger, we are going to hold, all of them are going to hold behind the second fret. But then, with the first finger, we are going to hold the 4th string. With the second finger, we are going to hold the 3rd string, and then the 3rd finger is going to hold the 2nd string, just like that. So 1, 2, 3, just like our chart diagram has indicated. So with this, string number 1 is open string, and then also string number 5 is an open string, while string number 6 is a closed string. So we're going to begin to play from string number 5 this way. So you can see, this is it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and then click on the bell icon if you are new. If you have any problem, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Remember that we have a chart for this that is free. Just click on the link in the description below and you'll be able to get it. Let's now have a revision of what we have learned so far. You can learn it with me. So we learned first of all key C, which is this way. We also learned the second day key F. We also learned the 3rd day key G. Then we learned key E. We also learned yesterday key D. And today we are learning key A. We are progressing. So if you like this video, then follow in this series and you will learn a lot. Remember, practice makes perfect. When you practice, when your finger hurts, you leave it, come back again and learn. Patience is the key. I wish you the best in your guitar journey.